The entire Nature Aruba Deluxe apartment complex is being offered for sale, complete with inventory and website. It is located in the Villa Park of Sabana Liber in Nord and consists of 3 lots of property with the apartment building. In this building, there are 4 apartments, including 3 one-bedroom units and 1 studio. The garden, pool, gazebo, and outdoor cooking space are very tropical and quiet, providing the perfect setting for a vacation or longer-term living. All of the apartments are beautifully furnished. Come and view today. Contact Soreta Noop, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in Aruba, for complete details on this property.